TAIMEE, thermal and acoustic insulating material from finished leather waste. TAIMEE project was born from the desire to solve the problem around the waste generated within leather sector. The leather sector generates around 30 kilograms of finished leather waste per ton of skin processed. This waste is nowadays mostly diverted to landfills. Leather has sound acoustic absorption and thermal insulation properties, which are also present in leather waste. These properties make leather waste a good material to be recycled and to be used for the first time as a raw material for producing an innovative insulation panel. The TAIMEE project developed an eco-friendly isolation panel made of recycled leather for immediate application in the building sector. The project set up the industrial methodology required for the efficient processing of leather waste with the objective to introduce into the market an innovative environmental-friendly insulation material. The outcome of TAIMEE project is an innovative acoustic fence that can be used for all types of roads and also for the acoustic protection of gardens. Leita Technological Center, which coordinated TAIMEE project, brought its vast experience in the development and achievement of the TAIMEE product.
Nowadays, the tanning sector and the leather goods production industry, such as footwear, furniture, and automotive sectors, generates large amounts of finished leather waste that are directly sent to landfills and incineration sites, with its consequent environmental impact. From this problem came a possible solution: to develop an insulating material by setting up the industrial methodology required for the efficient processing of the leather waste materials and their reintegration into the productive chain. To face this challenge, the first step was to find the right partners. We need an expert in every step of the process. Plasfi, an international company specialized in polyol-based material, developed an eco-friendly binder to ensure leather agglomeration. Cicla, experts in providing innovative solutions from recycled materials, has been in charge of the industrial production. Novatec, a technology center expert in the fields of sustainable planning and construction, was in charge of the exploitation strategy and the analysis of the potential markets.
To ensure its composition fits the requirements, it is necessary to control the substances the leather waste contains. In this way, leather waste has been characterized and homogenized to ensure that it becomes a good raw material for acoustic fence application. To agglomerate the leather waste, a special binder is necessary. The challenge was to develop an innovative eco-binder. Traditionally, agglomerates, polyurethanes, are produced from polyols coming from petrochemical sources. In this project, a sustainable method has been developed for the production by replacing fossil-based polyols with bio-based polyols.
En Plasfi llevamos más de 30 años trabajando en el sector del poliuretano. Hemos desarrollado como 350 fórmulas diferentes. Una de ellas es la resina que se va a aplicar en el proyecto TAIMEE y nos ha llevado a nuestro equipo de I+D a desarrollar esta resina de origen vegetal. Estamos hablando de aceite de ricino, aceite de soja, catalizadores, un pequeño porcentaje de MDI.
The production process of the panels was done by Cicla, a company with a great expertise in traffic solutions made of recycled materials.
Cicla se incorporó al proyecto TAIMEE para aportar en él la gran experiencia que tienen en el desarrollo de productos reciclados. En este caso, nos encontrábamos frente a un residuo muy bonito, que es el residuo de la piel. Lo importante era dar con la tecnología necesaria para poder transformar este residuo tan interesante en placas. El material, como se puede ver, es un material muy flexible que se tritura a un tamaño de 2-3 centímetros aproximadamente. Una vez que la resina ha reticulado y la placa tiene la rigidez necesaria, ya se puede retirar del molde y pasa al acopio para su envío directamente a obra.
In order to optimize the insulation and isolation characteristics of the panel, several parameters were tested. First, the acoustic parameter being the sound absorption capacity. Then, the thermal parameters such as the thermal conductivity. The mechanical characteristics were also tested, like the dynamic stiffness. Last, the fire performance and other physical properties such as density and water absorption were also tested. This testing part was ASCAM, a technological center specialized in research and development activities such as the construction sector.
Eurecat ASCAM és un centre tecnològic català de recerca especialitzat en tecnologies industrials. Els assajos acústics que hem realitzat demostren que el producte TAIMEE presenta un bon comportament com a absorbent i aïllant acústic. Des d'Eurecat ASCAM també hem analitzat les propietats ambientals del producte mitjançant una anàlisi de cicle de vida. Així doncs, podem concloure que el producte TAIMEE, en incorporar residus que d'altra manera aniria a l'abocador, genera un estalvi de recursos energètics i materials.
Dans le projet TAIMEE, on a d'abord travaillé sur la recherche des applications du matériau TAIMEE, puis sur une phase d'essai en laboratoire et enfin sur toutes les stratégies de certification et d'exploitation et réplication du produit. Le produit que l'on a développé dans TAIMEE est un panneau, un écran acoustique routier, mais on a décelé de multiples applications intéressantes et futures pour le projet, ce qui laisse un bel avenir à TAIMEE.
TAIMEE, thermal and acoustic insulating material from finished leather waste.